All right, guys, this is me again. This is Emmett again, the Alpha Builder. And guys, you get a chance before we get going on this right here video, this YouTube video, guys, hit the thumbs up or subscribe to this channel so that every time I create some more content, it'll come straight to you so you guys can see it. But guys, this right here, I want to go over. I did GE appliances. And guys, I actually thought that the reason I was trying to go all American, I was just trying to make sure I'm going with American brand. And so I did GE, General Electric, because that was traditionally an American brand. But what I think I found out is that I think the GE company has been bought by a Chinese company. So guys, you can look it up, let me know if it's true or not. But I thought I was doing the good American thing, but it's an exercise in futility to try to go American nowadays. But guys, I went on. I got the GE appliances, guys. So I got this right here behind me is a GE Cafe double oven induction cooktop slide-in range. So that's what we got here. And let me just tell you guys, this thing right here, now I'm still trying to learn it. There's a lot of little stuff, little gadgets and stuff on the front. There's a lot of little stuff that's going on here. Cancel all this right here. But there's a lot of little gadget tech type stuff that's going on here. And it's going to take me a minute to figure all this stuff out. But one thing that we have, so the whole purpose of me creating this right here, butler's pantry, or having a butler's pantry, as you can see back in the back, we got that air fryer. And my son pulled that out, not knowing that this thing right here is also an air fryer. So it'll air fry your food just like this guy. Now I did have to go get so I had to get a little pan thing where you can put your stuff in here. It looks like this right here, so the grease will drop in it. But it will air fry. So this thing will air fry. It'll clean itself. Well, you'd have to turn on the clean cycle, but it also has now what I like about these, and I think there are not a lot of companies that do this induction like this. Most of the time when you have induction, they have the controls up here at the top. And sometimes you get grease on this right here, and you're trying to, maneuver and manipulate the controls, and it doesn't function as well. So I wanted the knobs. This is the good thing about this induction cooktop. And Cafe and GE is one of the few appliances that do that. Everybody else kind of put theirs on top of here. And guys, if you don't know what induction is, induction, we were using gas. So gas was a thing. In a higher end home, you want to kind of do gas for the most part. You don't want to do the heat element, because you got two different kind of heat elements. One with the little spiral thing, and the other one, it just kind of, this right here turns red, and then it heats up. It transfers heat to the pots and pans. So, when you're in a higher end home, guys, you really don't want to do that. You're either going to do gas or you're going to do induction. Induction is going to cost you probably a tad bit more. I introduced my family to induction about 5 years ago because in effort to save, to be more energy efficient and not, burn fossil fuels and gas and all that kind of stuff. So I was trying to get away from that. So I did induction. And guys, my family, I just used induction, and then they ended up saying that, hey, we want to stick with induction. They like to cook with induction. It's so easy to cook with. The only catch you're going to have, guys, is your pots and pans. Your pots and pans that you use have got to be set up to be able to use. They have to be able to, if you get a magnet and stick on here, a magnet should be able to stick to your pan. And that way, you can use induction. But if you can't put a magnet on here and that magnet stick to this pot or pan, you can't use induction. And so that's the only thing about it. You got to get a lot of people. And this technology has been out for years, guys. It's been out probably 20 plus years. And also, I mean, you can just heat, like you can boil, we can boil water in like less than a minute on this thing right here. It's very efficient. This is a really nice, I mean, it's really nice, and it kind of looks good too, guys, but I like it. So it works really well. And for some reason, it turns this right here on start. This right here actually cools off the eyes. And then another thing, guys, is it's much easier. So when you cook on here, you can actually touch the surface and be cooking and boiling at the same time and have your hand on the surface, and it won't burn you, because it's actually doing it's some kind of magnetism that it does with the pans that makes it heat up. But guys, this is a game changer. I like induction. I enjoy cooking with induction. You can get more precise with the temperature and things like that. So this right here works out really good. And I just went on ahead and got a double oven just in case we end up having to, maybe warm some stuff and then have to cook some stuff in the oven at the same time. So I just did both of them. Like I said, it's just gonna bump up the cost just a tad bit. But this right here thing was probably less than $5,000 for the whole unit. So just trying to think of what else this thing does. So it does the air fry. It also does the convection. That's another thing. So you can cook your food like double the time. So it has a little element, has a little fan on the inside. So when you heat it up, it can turn that fan on and push that air through it. So it cooks stuff a whole lot quicker. Now, this right here, guy, now this guy, I am very, I'm very satisfied with this guy right here. This is the Cafe dishwasher, guys. And I got the one, once again, it cost me just a little bit more. I got the one that creates the least amount of noise when you're washing dishes. So when you turn this on, the decibels that it creates is the least amount. And this right here, I tell you what, man, I don't know how to make this thing. I mean, you got 3 drawers in here, but I don't know how they make this thing clean so well. Now, one thing my wife used to complain about, she said, well, I'm gonna wash the dishes with my own. I'm just gonna wash them because these dishwashers don't get them as clean. Well, this right here changed the whole game. This thing gets your dishes, I mean, spotless. Now, I can say that, and then it looks kind of sleek. I like these knobs on it, guys, but it looks really sleek. But I tell you, this right here, these things right here is a game changer as well. This, what's this right here? I thought it was Cascade, but these little things right here, they work miracles. They got one that's called yeah, this is Cascade. But they have another brand that's called the Platinum. Man, that stuff, you can put spaghetti and everything in there, and it'll clean it all up. So that's the next GE. And now we also have the refrigerator. And guys, I just, you can kind of see the refrigerator, and you can see that this right here is a counter deck refrigerator. So it doesn't protrude out about this much, which I don't like to see that gray right out here. Now, you probably have less space. Well, I think you have less space on the inside of the refrigerator, but yeah, there ain't too many people here, man. That works out really well. And man, it keeps stuff really, really cool. We're getting away from putting, like my daughter, she kind of talked me into this right here, but we're trying to get away from putting the dispensers on the front door. That actually works against gravity because you got to pump it up and do all that stuff. But you got another drawer here. And then, the ice is down here, guys. Let's see. Yeah. The ice tray is, they give you ice right there. So that works out. Don't have a problem with that. Works with gravity. Also, for the dispenser, I mean, you got a little dispenser right here. And actually, you can use this like a little jug. You can take the whole jug out and pour it if you want. But, or you could just kind of stick it in there and use this right here to let your water go into it. So this right here, I tell you what, man, Cafe, they did a really good job. Now, I couldn't afford the monogram. Monogram is the top tier one here, but I can't afford that one. All right, guys. Once again, this Cafe Appliances that we did in here. Like, share, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts. At the end of the day, it is what it is, and this is the way.